All right, welcome sixth graders. You are on day 2 of the History of Measurement project. And so today we are going to be looking at, for your homework, the historical measurements chart where you have to come up with definitions and an image or a picture to show how people used to measure before they had standardized measurement, and it's using body parts. So we're going to scroll down until we get to the developing ideas chart, and it's right here. And so for this activity, it says, look up the definition for each historical measurement type and insert a picture that represents that form of measurement. So I'll do one example together, and then you think you have 7 of these terms that you have to do on your own. So for cubit, I'm going to go to Google, and I could just type in cubit and see what happens. Since there are different types of definitions for the words you may be choosing, it might help to just do cubit measurement definition, and that way it'll narrow down your search and that we're getting the correct term. So for this, we're looking for the way that people measured with a cubit using their body parts. And so looking at the description, it says generally taken as equal to 18 inches. 18 inches doesn't show the body part that's being used. So I'm going to then continue reading where it says it was based on, and this is what I need, the length of the arm from the elbow to the tip of your middle finger. So you can see my elbow to the tip of my middle finger, that is 1 cubit. So I'm going to take that information here, the tip of my elbow to middle finger. I'm going to say the length of my elbow to tip of middle finger. There, that makes sense. So that's my cubit, and then after that I have to find a picture that represents that. So I can go back here, see what Google has to offer into images, and you can see then different ones, and since I'm looking for, it looks like this one here perfectly. Again, it's elbow to tip of middle finger. Click on that, copy it, and go back here and paste it in. So I've just done one for you. You then need to do the next few. And remember, when you type in fathom, remember to narrow it down by doing fathom measurement definition. And once you're done with this entire chart, that's it for your homework for today. Just remember to go down to the bottom and type in your Day 2 summary. So be specific about what you learned or accomplished today using complete sentences. If you have any questions, reach out to one of your teachers.